Happy New Year! Are you surprised that it's New Year on the 29th of January? Yes, this is the first day on the lunar calendar, a calendar that the Chinese has been using for more than 100 years now. So yes, it's New Year today, and wish you all a happy Snake Year here in China. Hello everyone, it's your boy Robert Peter and welcome back to my page. Today we're going to be diving into the world of Chinese Spring Festival, Chūn. It is the most celebrated holidays here in China, here in the whole East Asia. Okay, the other day my brother was asking, how are you guys celebrating New Year today? I thought the time lapse was just 7 hours. I laughed, and that's why I decided to make this video for you guys. And today we're going to also be learning some Mandarin words and the history behind those words. So let's go. Let's start with Chūn, which means Spring Festival. Spring Festival marks the beginning of the Lunar New Year, and also it celebrates the beginning of spring. This festival has been celebrated for more than 4,000 years now, and it started with Qián dynasty as a way to honor the gods and the ancestors for the harvest. Now, Chūn means spring. Jie means festival. So Chūn Jie. Chūn Jie. Repeat after me. Chūn Jie. Jie. Now say it yourself now. Okay, good. The next one is Nián, which means year. Do you actually know that this Nián is linked with an ancient legend? It is said that there's a mystical beast who always terrorized the village every Lunar New Year. And they realized that this Nián, this beast, is scared of loud noises and the color red. That is why on every Chinese New Year, the whole city, the whole country is filled with red clothes, red lanterns, red everything. And also, that is why the Chinese also set off firecrackers to make this loud noise so that they can send off this Nián, this beast, away. So guys, let's learn. Nián, Nián, Nián. Okay, very good. Another important word for the Chinese New Year is Fu. Fu means blessings or good fortune. And here I have Fu with me. This is Fu. Okay? And oftentimes you see this Fu placed upside down. Why? Because the word upside down in Chinese is Dao. And it also sounds like this other word, Dao, which means arrive. So when they place the Fu character upside down, which is Dao, go like the Fu, it actually insinuates that blessings has arrived, because it sounds like this other word, arrive, Dao. Okay, so when it's placed upside down, it means blessings has arrived. Fu Dao. Okay, so now say after me. Say Fu. Okay, very good. Now let's talk about one exciting Asian tradition, especially for kids. This word is called Jiǎo Zi. It refers to the lucky money we give to kids, given to kids during the Chūn, during the Spring Festival. Jiǎo Zi actually means money that suppresses the evil spirit, sui. Dated back in times, it is believed that there's an evil spirit called Sui who often attack kids and is very scared of gold coins. So gold coins are being wrapped in red ribbon and given to kids to keep them safe from this evil spirit, Sui. And the tradition continued till today, where it's turned to the word red envelope. Money that's given to people in red envelope as a tradition here during the Spring Festival. So, Ya Sui Qián in today is called Hóng Bāo. Hóng Bāo, which literally means red envelope. Hong, red, envelope, Bao. Ya Sui Qián, red envelope. Now let's talk about food. Jiǎo Zi. Jiǎo Zi means dumplings. Jiǎo Zi is traditionally eaten on New Year's Eve, especially in the northern China. Why Jiǎo Zi? Why dumplings? It is believed that Jiǎo Zi resembles the ancient Chinese gold ingot, which symbolizes wealth and prosperity. And every Lunar New Year, families gather together to wrap Jiǎo Zi, to wrap dumplings, and it's eaten on the Chinese Eve dinner. Another beautiful tradition during Chūn is putting up Chūn Lián, Spring Festival couplets. These are pairs of red scrolls with poetic phrases, mostly written in gold or black calligraphy. Chūn Lián is dated back over 1,000 years ago during Song Dynasty, and they are hung in both sides of the door. It's meant to express wishes of happiness, fortune, prosperity in the new year. These phrases are always written in both sides in pairs to symbolize balance and harmony. Now, Chūn, which means Spring Festival, Chūn Lián, which means couplets. Couplets. Chūn Lián, Chūn Lián. Repeat after me. Say Chūn Lián. Wow, we've learned so many words and so many history. Now, let's do some recap, okay? First, we talked about Chūn Jie, which means Spring Festival. And next, we talked about Ye. Do you remember what Ye means in Chinese? Nián. Yes, Nián. And also, we learned Fu, the Fu character. And do you remember what I said about Fu being placed upside down? If you don't remember, go watch it, okay? And also, we learned about Ya Sui Qián, Ya Sui Qián, which means money that suppresses the evil spirit Sui, and actually means lucky money, and which rolls down to this modern days of the red pockets, the Hóng Bāo. We also learned about our famous Jiǎo Zi dumplings, and the last one we learned is Chūn Lián, the Spring Festival couplet. Each of these words connects and represents our famous Chūn Jie, the most celebrated Chinese holiday in East Asia. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share. Okay? See you guys on the next video.